Hello, and welcome to Settlement Patterns of Germany. I chose 7B. Push factors are factors about a country that pushes people away. So people leaving the USA to go to Europe because of poverty or government problems. Pull factors are factors about a country that pulls people to a country. Like Europe has a better job opportunities than the USA, so people would move to Europe. Some push factors in Germany are overcrowding, overpopulation in the 18 to 2000s. Foreign imports flooding the German markets and they couldn't compete, social and economic discrimination in Germany, such as the Holocaust, and escaped military service like the Nazis. Some pull factors in Germany can be job opportunities. Germany is a developed country, which means their economy is stable. Another pull factor can be family and ancestry. Also, Germany gives better treatment to immigrants. And that is my SE. Thanks for watching.